Did you know you don't need to do hundreds of push-ups every day to build muscle? In fact, doing fewer reps with proper form can be far more effective. Forget heavy lifting and fancy gym machines. Sometimes simplicity is the key. Stick around because later we'll show you exactly how many push-ups you need to build serious muscle, based on science. Let's talk about the science of muscle building, also called hypertrophy. When you do push-ups, your muscles experience small micro tears, and that's a good thing. This is how your body grows stronger, by adapting to stress and building back bigger. Want to know the exact push-up ranges based on your fitness level? That's coming up in less than a minute. Push-ups don't just build your chest, they activate your arms, shoulders, back and core too. Standard push-ups hit your chest, a narrow grip targets your triceps, and maintaining a plank-like posture engages your core. And if you're wondering how to mix things up for even faster results, we've got 6 awesome push-up variations coming right up. Let's break down how many push-ups you should do daily, based on your max reps. If your max is under 25, aim for 50 to 75 push-ups a day. If you're in the 25-50 range, shoot for 75 to 150. Over 50? Then 150 to 250 is your target range. Divide these into 2 to 4 sets, and remember, form is always more important than numbers. But how do you actually keep progressing without plateauing? That's what we're covering next. Progressive overload is the key, gradually increasing difficulty through reps or variations. Don't just add reps, try different push-up types that hit your muscles in new ways. Still watching? Great. Next we'll show how rest and recovery can boost your gains even more. Your body doesn't grow during the workout. It grows while you rest. Experts suggest 48 to 72 hours between intense sessions for proper recovery. If you're sore all the time, having trouble sleeping or feeling weaker, you might be overtraining. Before we wrap up, let's cover 3 form tips you must follow for safe, effective push-ups. Tip 1. Keep your core tight. No sagging hips. Tip 2. Align your head and neck with your spine. Don't crane or tuck. Tip 3. Keep your hands just outside shoulder width. Not too wide, not too narrow. Want to go beyond just push-ups? In the next video, we'll show how to build a full upper body routine using only body weight. Push-ups are powerful, but they're just the beginning. Like and subscribe so you don't miss what's next.